this painting, perhaps used in processions in times of plague, normally lives in the Church of San Francesco della Vigna, and it's a great window into popular piety and the great chaos and fear people would have had during infestations of plague. And Tintoretto is very specific in what is being asked. You see a figure of Venice. That queen there is not a saint. She's a personification of Venice, dressed in beautiful golden robes with a fur cape. And she is supplicating the Virgin Mary to ask in turn Jesus Christ to end the plague. And in the foreground you see two women who are the donors, presumably of this picture, who are praying. And then behind you see figures moving dead bodies. These are plague victims, and you see the doors closed of houses that have been condemned. So whereas below this is Venice in the midst of a terrible period of great disease, you see the date of 1631, and above we have the true salvation, that of Jesus, who will save this city.